الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة المائدة ذلك أدنى أن يأتوا بالشهادة على وجهها أو يخافوا أن ترد أيمان بعد أيمانهم واتقوا الله واسمعوا والله لا يهدي القوم الفاسقين. Translation: that is more likely that they will give the testimony in truth from as a real witness, or they will fear that their oaths may be rejected after the oath of others. So fear Allah to be pious and listen that Allah do not guide disobedient evil people. In the previous ayahs we studied about the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If someone is traveling and he faces the time of death, and at that time he should take the testimony of two people, and how it should be done, it was explained in detail in the previous ayahs. So the way that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the commandments about this matter is more likely that no party will try to lie or cheat. First, the witnesses that were assigned by the person who was dying took the oath, and they would know that if they will lie, the legal heirs of the deceased may also take the oath, and their oath can be rejected based on the oaths of the legal heirs. So both the parties will more likely to try not to lie in this matter, where the person whose wealth is going to be distributed is already deceased. In the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that one must do the taqwa, must attain the taqwa, and also must listen the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with open heart. And as it has been mentioned previously, that a law could be the excellent law, but if there is no fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the hearts, the implication or application of that law may be difficult, and people may not get the full benefit of the law if the hearts are crooked, if the hearts have lie in them, and if there is no taqwa in of the hearts. And in the end of the ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not guide the people who are disobedient and evil. So if there is taqwa in the heart, they will be guided by the commandments that are given in Quran. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and write us among the muttaqeen. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.